So hey guys, welcome back again. This is me to do hacks, and it's been a long year that and I have not posted any kind of videos. So now let's start this because I was busy in my study. So today I got a kind of free times to record a video for all of you. Okay, now let's do some things. So first of all, basically let's create a file, and I'm just going to tell you why why this video actually important. So now let's create a video touch program.cpp. So basically here is our program.cpp files, and just basically write a simple code IO stream using namespace std. Basically simple in main type return 0 count slash world. So this is our basic simple C program, and what we do to run this C program, we either just go for this run C files, or for most of this, if you just want to do some kind of fancy type, we simply write g///o program, and then this is our program.cpp, and what we write that program. Okay, now if we just basically run this program, and we can see that's here is our output, hello world. Okay, now every time we changes in our file, we always run the same program. We have to come to our terminal, and we have to just simply write the g++ program.cpp and then hello world. Okay, now let's do it in an automated way. That in that automated way, we have not to write this code every time, or this terminal command every time to run our program. It will automatically watch our files. If anything we have changed, then it will compile the program and run the program automatically. Okay, now let's create a batch script. So this is a simple touch. So now we just write auto run.sh. Okay, so before you process to the run auto.sh, make sure your system has installed this tool inotify wait. I notify this tool inotify-wait. As you can see, there is a basic type of simply wait for particular event for file or set of files. Okay, so we're going to use this inotify-wait to create a bash script that will check out files. If anything changes in this file, it will recompile our file and set the output for our files. Okay, so now if you don't know how to install inotify-wait, simply type sudo apt install inotify-wait or inotify-wait tool. The command will be in the description. Okay, now let's create our auto run script for that. Okay, so basically we will run our script in a loop. So we just type while true, we are going to do what this is the inotify-wait /e, and then we just simply type close right. What this basically this means, close right, what this actually this close right. Okay, now if we see that if we come here, and we can see that what this close right means. Close right means file or directory closed after being opened in a writable mode. Okay, so now this basically actually saying after we save our files, it will actually run the code or recompile our program. Okay, now what this e attribute, you can see that here is the event attribute. So e.order event, listen for specific events. If omitted, all events are listed for. So now we're just from inotify, this is our command, and we're just passing an argument /e to tell what events to watch for, and we're just passing the events close right. Okay, now what this event will write. So this event will write, and then we will pass that and in which file we are just going to run this event. So here is basically our program.cpp. So we will write our program.cpp, program.cpp. Then we will redirect our outputs, redirect our standard if any kinds of error. So we just don't want to clutter our terminal, so it's basically we are redirecting our output to dev slash null. So this is basically dev slash null, and then we just standard error something std12 into standard input files. So that's it to one. That's it. And then simply we just write into 2, and then simply after that we just simply run our program g++ program g++ program dot cpp just program dot cpp, and then basically what we just write our terminal slash program, okay, dot slash program, and then simply we just type our done. That's the basically our program. Now this has been run. I hope this will work. Let's see. We basically clear our terminal again, and then we just type ls, and this is not. So we'll add cmod plus x to our auto run.sh, setting up watches, hello world, command not found, setting up watches, line 2, command not found. Okay, watch established, command not found, hello world, line 2, command not found. Okay, so basically we're just doing some kind of error, I think. inotify-wait slash e close right slash inotify-wait slash e close right program.c dev slash null, and then we just do okay. So basically we did an error here, and this is basically just simply standard error output to and 1. Okay, so that's it. So that's the error was there. So basically we just simply basically now let's clear our terminal. Basically we just clear our terminal, and then simply type auto-run.sh. Okay, and then so it basically start watching our file. So now if I just simply write a simply control s, and we should, and this is, you can say hello world, and again we just simply just write out, and if we just okay, now you can see that there is 0. This is actually running in a loop, and you can see this is actually even the expected before written count, and then count written. Okay, and if you just simply just count hello world, and slash n another n of each another world, that's it. And okay, now you can see there is the actual output, hello world, another world. Okay, so that's the basic stuff. And if I just remove all of these things, and again if we just control s, and you can see there is no output. Okay, so that's the thing. That was the automation, and you can do this. If you think this video is helpful, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button to support me to make these more files. Okay, so that's it. I don't know why this is 2 is generated, so just should delete permanently. Yes, delete. Okay, now that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more automations videos, and you want to do faster coding, and you want to save your times, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you, bye bye. And I hope I will make more videos in this time, because I am also busy with my study. Thank you, bye, have a nice day.